Hi viewers, today we'll discuss the worksheet related to the topic integration. In this worksheet, we will learn about the definite and indefinite integral, as well as there are different sections, objective portion and subjective. So first of all, we will start with objective. The question number one, integral 2 to 4 x cubed dx is called the definite integral of x cubed with respect to x between the limits 2 to 4. So whenever lower limit and upper limit is given, it is definite integral. Sure, it's true. The constant of integration is required in indefinite integral. Yes. A definite integral gives exact numerical values. Yes. Whenever we are solving definite integral, we are not applying or writing answer in constant form. So we have to write exact answer at the end. True. The constant of integration C is necessary when evaluating the definite integral. No, when we are solving definite integral, there is no need to use constant, so it's false. The area between a curve and x-axis is always found using definite integral. Yes, true. Next, F part, the integral 2x plus 3 whole power 4 dx is equal to, so if we check carefully, the derivative of the inside function is 2, so 1 over 2, 2x plus 3 power 4, and once we apply the integration, it gives us 2x plus 3 power 5 over 5 multiplied by 2, 10. So it is correct, plus c. It's true. The next one, there is a rule. A to b f of x dx plus b to c f of x dx is equal to a to c. Yes, it is correct. When we change the upper and lower limit, there is a minus sign. Right hand side comes, so it is also true. The area A bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, the x-axis and the lines x is equal to a, which is lower limit and upper limit is given by the formula. So this is correct. True. The area A bounded by the curve x is equal to f of y. The y-axis, we have along y-axis lower limit and upper limit, which are a and b, is given by the formula a is equal to a to b x dy. So this is also true. Next, we will check MCQs based questions, and here question number 2, circle the correct option. So if we check carefully, this is definite integral, and the integration of this is x squared over 2, 0 to 2, which is equal 4 over 2 minus 0. So 2 is the answer, means B option is the correct. Next one, if integral f of x dx equal x squared plus c, then f of x is what? So the function should be equal x, but when you think about x, this is x squared over 2. So this is not x squared over 2. So we'll go with this, 2x. So if you find the integration of this, it gives us 2x squared over 2. We can cancel 2 and 2 and plus c. So this makes sense. Next, C and D part. Calculate the value of definite integral. Again, we will check through integration and see the inside function. The derivative is 6x, means r the better, there is no power, so we can apply it separately. Integration means 3x power 3 over 3 plus x. Lower limit is 0, upper 2 cancel 3 and 3. So if you apply the upper limit, 2 power 3 gives me 8 plus 2 minus lower limit is 0 plus 0, so I'm getting 10. D option is the correct one. Next, what is the area between the curve y is equal to x squared plus minus 4? So for this, we use the formula a to b y dx, means the lower limit is 0, upper is 2. The curve y is x squared minus 4 dx. So if we apply the integration, it gives me x cube over 3 minus 4x. The lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2. So once we apply the limit, this gives me 8 over 3 minus 8. and then minus bracket upon 0 minus 0. So if we simplify, it is equal 8 minus 24 over 3, which is equal minus 16 over 3. But remember, area is always positive. So we'll consider plus 16 over 3. Means the first option is the correct one. Next, E part, we check this formula in the true false section as well. 1 to 3 f of x dx is equal to 5, and means this is 1 to 3 f of x dx plus 3 to 6 f of dx is equal to 1 to 6 f of x dx. This is the formula. So we know the values 5 plus minus minus 2. We will get this one 1 to 6 f of x dx. So it means we are getting 3. C part or option is the correct one. In this section, we have definite integral. So this is x power 1 by 2. If we apply the integration, it gives me 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Lower limit is 4, upper is 9. Or we can say that 2 over 3 x power 3 over 2. And if we apply upper and lower limit, 2 over 3, 9 is basically 3 squared. And power 3 over 2 is already there. Minus lower limit, we have 4. So 4, we can write 2 square, which is, we can cancel as well. So 3 cube means 27 multiplied by 2. So 54 over 3 minus here 2 cube means 8. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. 16 over 3. So 54 minus 16 is equal 38 over 3. So 38 over 3 is the correct option D. Hope so it is clear. Then next, this is indefinite integral, integral 16x cubed. So 16x power 4 over 4 plus constant of integration. So our answer is 4x power 4 plus C. I don't think so. Not C. It is A. Option is the correct one. 4x power 4 plus C. H part. And in this again definite integral, so first of all it is 2x power 2 over 2, lower limit 1, upper 3, that means x square, lower limit 1, upper 3. So once you apply the upper limit, it gives me 3 square, which is equal 9, minus 1, so which is equal 8. So D option is the correct one. Next, the region bounded by x is equal to y squared. So we can apply this formula a to b y, sorry, x dy. X dy means 1 to 2 y square dy. So again, the integration of this is y cube over 3, lower limit 1, upper 2. So it gives me 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3, which is equal 7 over 3. So first option is the correct one. J and K. And in this case, to find the integral, again, we will check first what is the derivative of this function. It is 5. So divide by 5. And we have to multiply by 5 so that we can check the derivative, or we can see the derivative is there. Now you can add 1 in the power. So at the end you will find 5x minus 2 whole power 4 over 20, which is the first option. And next one, x power 4 over 4, lower limit is 2, upper is 4. And then we have to apply the 4. So 4 power 4 over 4 and minus 2 power 4 over 4. So 4 power 4 is over 4 equal 64, and 2 power 4 is 16, and 16 divided by 4, 4. So 64 minus 4, 60. It means the last option is the correct. Next we have subjective portion of this worksheet related to integration. And here is the first question. It is definite integral, and we will straight away find the integration 3x power 3 over 3 lower limit 1 upper 2. So cancel 3 and 3. 2 power 3 minus 1 power 3, which is 8 minus 1, so 7 is the answer. And if we check this one, again, if we check carefully, the function is 2x minus 3. So derivative of this function is 2. We have to write first like this way, 1 over 2 minus 1 to 1, 2x minus 3. Okay, next B part. Apply the integration separately, okay? Like 2x square over 2 minus 3x, lower limit minus 1, upper limit 1, cancel 2 and 2. So I'm getting 1 minus 3 into 1, lower limit minus 1 squared. So here we have 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 plus 3, which is equal minus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So we are getting minus 6. Next, question number 2. So in this case, we simplify first, which is lower limit 1 to 2. If we multiply x with 7, so I'm getting 7x, then minus 2x squared, then multiply by 3 into 27, which is 21, and 3 multiplied by minus 2, so 6x. If we rearrange, it is minus 2x squared, 7 minus 6 plus x plus 21, lower limit 1 upper 2. So integration, once we apply, it is minus 2x power 3 over 3. So plus x square over 2 plus 21x, lower limit is 1, upper is 2. So now we can apply upper limit and lower limit as well, which is minus 2 over 3, upper limit is 2, 2 cubed, plus 2 square over 2 plus 21 into 2, and then minus lower limit, which is minus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 21. If we simplify more further, 2 cube is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 minus 16 over 3 plus 4 over 2, which is equal to, and 42 minus, here we have minus 2 over 3. So if we check minus 2 over 3, it gives us 125 over 6. And here the left hand side, 116 over 3 minus 125 over 6 is equal 107 over 6. This is a required answer. B part of this question. Here we have square root form. So 1 to 2 x minus 1 power, we can say that 3 over 2 dx. Derivative of this function is 1, so it is there. We can apply integration directly. X minus 1 power 3 over 2 plus 1, which is equal 5 over 2, lower limit 1. So this gives me 2 over 5, x minus 1, 1 to 2. Now we will apply the limits. So 2 minus 1 power 5 by 2 minus lower limit is 1 minus 1, so it becomes 0. So here we have 2 over 5, 1 power 5 over 2. That means we have 2 over 5. Next question, we will differentiate first, and d over dx, x squared minus 1 power 4. So if we differentiate, we will use power rule, bring down the power and subtract 1 from the power, then take the derivative of inside function, which is x squared minus 1. So this gives me x squared minus 1 power 3. Derivative of x squared is 2x. And lastly, we can say that it is 8x x square minus 1 power 3. So this will help you to find the answer of B as well, or we can solve directly. But if you want to take help of the first part, you have to bring 8 here, means divide by 8 and multiply. So x square minus 1 power 3 dx. Then simply just add 1 in the power. We will find out the answer, which is x square minus 1 power 4. Next, question number 4. And in this question, again, we will find the derivative first. So we have y. 2. I will consider this value up by writing x square plus 5 power minus 1. And then I will check the derivative. So if I apply the derivative, it gives me 2 bracket open minus 1. Firstly, power rule will work for us. And then subtract 1 from the power. And then we will take the derivative of inside function, which is 2x plus 0. So it gives us minus 4x x square plus 5 power minus 2, or we can say that minus 4x over x squared plus 5 whole power 2. Now we will try the B part. In B part, we have integration 0 to 2. I'm going to solve with normal way. Here we have power minus 2, okay? So this gives me x square plus 5 power minus 1 over minus 1, lower limit 0, upper limit 2. So it is 1 over x square plus 5. So if I apply the upper limit, it gives me 4 plus 5 minus plus lower limit 1 over 5. So it is minus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 5, which is equal 4 over 40. Section C, we have Cambridge assessment. Here we have area under the curve. So the curve is given as well. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 3. So I will apply this formula, a to b y dx. So lower limit is 1, upper is 3. The function y is 2x plus 3x power minus 2 minus 1 dx. Now we can check the integration. 2x square over 2 plus 3x power minus 1 over 1 minus x. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 3. So here we have x square minus 3 over x minus x, 1 to 3. So if we apply the upper limit, it gives me 9 minus 3 over 3 minus 3 minus lower limit 1 minus 3 over 1 minus 1. So I'm getting 9 minus 1 minus 3. And from here, minus 3. So 9 minus 4, 5 plus 3, which is equal 8. Next, the second part of this question is also area under the curve, but we have different curve. And now the rule is a to b y dx. Lower limit is 4, upper limit is 6. The function is given, which is 3x squared dx. We will apply the integration 3x cubed over 3, 4 to 6, cancel 3 and 3. So now 6 cubed minus 4 cube. So this is 216 minus 64, which is equal 152 units square. Next one is question number 6. And in this question, we will try to simplify first, like 6x power 4 over x square minus 1 over x square. Apply the, write the integration 1 to 2. So the next step, it is 6x square minus x power minus 2, integration 1 to 2 dx. And then we will apply the integration. So 6x power 3 over 3 minus x power minus 1 over minus 1. And lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2. Still we can simplify, which is 3 2s are 6 plus 1 over x, 1 to 2. Now we will apply the limits. So 2 cube plus 1 over 2 minus 2 into 1 cube plus 1 over 1. Here it gives me 2 cube 8 to 16 plus 1 over 2 minus 2 plus 1 3. So this is equal 16 minus 3 13. So 13 1 over 2. This is over. Next, B part. In this question, there is a square root form. So we should have the derivative of this function, which is 5. So I will do like this way, 1 over 5, integration 0 to 3, 5x plus 1, divide by 5 and multiply by 5 as well. This is 1 over 2. So now we can apply the integration, and it is 5x plus 1 power 3 by 2, divide by 3 by 2. 0 to 3. So this gives me 2 over 15. 2 over 15, 5x plus 1 power 3 by 2. So now we can apply lower and upper limits. So 2 over 15, here the upper limit is 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit 0 plus 1 power 3 by 2. So here we can say that 2 over 15, 4 square multiply 3 by 2, 2 over 15, which is equal, cancel square with this 3 over 2. So we have 4 power 3, which is equal 64, and 64 multiply by 2 equal 128 over 15 minus 2 over 15. And this gives us what? 42 over 5. Next, C part, and in this part we will try to bring this one up first. Minus 2 to 1, 8, 5 minus 2x power minus 2 dx. And remember, the derivative of this function is minus 2. So we will divide by minus 2 and multiply by minus 2 as well. It means now we can apply and bring this 8 outside. So 8 over 2, apply the integration. 5 minus 2x minus 2 plus 1, which is equal minus 1, and lower limit is minus 2, upper limit is 1. This is minus 4 and minus minus plus. So 5 minus 2x power minus 1 minus 2 to 1, or we can say that 4 over 5 minus 2x, lower limit is minus 2, upper limit is 1. Now we can apply the limits. 4 over 5 minus 2 into 1, and minus lower limit 4 over 5 minus 2 into minus 2, which is equal 4 over 5 minus 2 3, and here 4 over minus minus plus 4, so 5 plus 4 9. And then we can write the last answer like 3 multiplied by 3 here also. So 12 minus a 4 gives us 8 over 9. So this is overall. Next question. First we have to show the derivative, which is d over dx, 3x square minus 4 power 8. So bring down the power and then subtract 1 from the power. Take the derivative of inside function, which is 3x squared minus 4. So 8, 3x power 2 minus 4 power 7. The derivative of 3x squared is 6x minus 0. So 6 we can multiply with 8. So 48x. 3x squared minus 4 power 7. So this is exactly the right hand side. And then you can apply this answer here. So if you bring or try to make it 48 here, we have to multiply by 8 as well as divide. Means 1 over 8. So 8 6 are 48x. 3x squared minus 4 power 7 dx. Now the next step, which is the last step of this question, is only just add 1 in the power and plus constant of integration. I hope so you understand each and everything step by step. Thank you for watching my video.